Next question is, a developer must create an Apex class contact controller that a Lightning component can use to search for contact records. Users of the Lightning component should only be able to search for contact records to which they have access. Which two will restrict the records correctly? Choose two options. Option A, public class contact controller. Option B, public with sharing class contact controller. Option C, public without sharing class contact controller. Option D, public inherited sharing class contact controller. Correct answer is option B and option D. Next question is, which aspect of Apex programming is limited due to multi-latency? Option A, the number of methods in an Apex class. It's multi-tenancy. Option B, the number of records returned from database queries. Option C, the number of active Apex classes. Option D, the number of records processed in a loop. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, what will be the output in the debug log in the event of a query exception during a call to a query method in the following example? Option A, querying accounts query exception. Option B, querying accounts custom exception. Option C, querying accounts custom exception done. Option D, querying accounts query exception done. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, when a user edits the postal code on an account, a custom account text field named time zone must be updated based on the values in a postal code to time zone underscore C custom object. How should a developer implement this feature? Option A, build an account workflow rule. Option B, build an account assignment rule. Option C, build an account custom triggers. Option D, build an account approval process. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, a developer must provide a custom user interface when users edit a contact. Users must be able to use the interface in Salesforce Classic and Lightning Experience. What should the developer do to provide the custom user interface? Option A, override the contacts edit button with a Visualforce page in Salesforce Classic and a Lightning component in the Lightning experience. Option B, override the contacts edit button with a Visualforce page in Salesforce Classic and a Lightning page in Lightning experience. Option C, override the contacts edit button with a Lightning component in Salesforce Classic and a Lightning component in Lightning experience. Option D, override the contacts edit button with a Lightning page in Salesforce Classic and a Visualforce page in Lightning experience. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, Universal Containers UC uses a custom object called vendor. The vendor custom object has a master detail relationship with the standard account object. Based on some internal discussions, the UC administrator tried to change the master detail relationship on a lookup relationship but was not able to do so. What is a possible reason that this change was not permitted? Option A, the vendor records have existing values in the account object. Option B, the account object is included on a workflow on the vendor object. Option C, the account records contain vendor rollup summary fields. Option D, the vendor object must use a master detailed field for reporting. Correct answer is option C. These are the top 50 most common certification questions that you could have in your exam. If you want to download the complete list of current updated questions, please download it from the link provided in the description. Question is, Universal Containers wants a list button to display a visual force page that allows users to edit multiple records. Which visual force feature supports this requirement? Option A, Apex List Button Tag. Option B, Record Set Where Page Attribute. Option C, Custom Controller. Option D, Controller Extension. Correct answer is option B,